Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Savvy. Today we are going to learn about NSClient++ configuration on Windows machine, and after that we will attach that Windows machine with Nagios server for monitoring purpose. NSClient++ is the agent of Nagios which is used for monitoring Windows machine. That agent we need to install into the Windows machine, and then only we can start monitoring the Windows machine using Nagios core server. So this is our EC2 dashboard where I have created Nagios server. How to configure Nagios server, how to create a Nagios host where we will see all the monitoring dashboard. You will find the video of configuring Nagios server in my playlist in my previous videos. And this is the dashboard which we have configured earlier, and this is the host configuration detail where we are able to see all the service monitored related via Nagios on this particular dashboard. So today, as we are going to monitor Windows machine, so let me just quickly create a Windows instance into the EC2 dashboard so that we can configure NSClient++ into this Windows machine, and then we will attach that Windows machine with Nagios server for monitoring purpose. I am taking Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base T2 Micro. I will create new key pair, that is Windows key. PEM is enough. Okay, create new key pair. I am keeping networking part default. I will select my existing security group where I have configured all the ports related configuration. Rest all the things I am keeping default, and launch instance. Our instance is launching. It will take 2-3 minutes in launching a Windows instance in EC2 dashboard. So I will just quickly forward this video for you. Once this machine will be ready, I'll again start the video. Okay, as you can see, it is 2x2 check has been passed. So now let me connect and get the password. So let me pass this Windows PEM key and decrypt the password. Okay, so let me bring the RDP client. Okay, paste DNS here, then connect. Copy the username and the password. Do you trust this device? Yes. Okay, as you can see, I have logged in our Amazon EC2 machine successfully. So let's first change the default setting to download the NSClient package. Just go to inside the Internet Explorer and go to settings options, internet option, then security, and you will find under internet custom level you will find one download option which is disabled by default. Yeah, see, download this one and this one, rest this one. Okay, front end download enable. Okay, so now we are able to download the package. Okay, yes, apply. Okay, so these are some of the basic steps which we are going to perform for configuring NSClient++. First, we need to download the package, or I would say exe. So I am just copying this link and pasting on my Internet Explorer and enter. Okay. Close. Okay. Yeah. Now from here you can download Windows package. Okay. It is asking me to save as desktop. Okay. It is downloading. See. Once our packages will be downloaded. Okay. See. The package is downloaded. Now just click on run. Once you will run it, it will ask some permission. So click on next. We are installing generic version only. Next. Typical. Okay. Here you need to provide your host detail from which you want to monitor this particular machine. So we have host configured here, this one. Just give the public IP address of your host into this place. Remove the password authentication as of now, and we will enable this check NT option and disable rest of the option, because right now we are only focusing on check NT option and Windows monitoring. Next, install. Finish. So just go to the, now just let's see the documentation first. See, we have installed, we have configured. Now in nagios configuration or nagios server, we need to provide this Windows configuration machine detail, which we have just now created and installed NSClient++ into that. So just go to the nagios server and go to this file, this location, like this. Just edit your nagios configuration file, just copy and open it. Okay, so in this, just go and uncomment this option Windows and just copy this path also. Okay, now escape :wq. Okay, and now just go to the Windows config file ls. So vi Windows config file. Under this file, just give your Windows machine IP address and keep all the other things as a default and change as per your choice also. It is same like that NRP agent which we have configured on Linux machine. So rest all the detail will be same. Okay. See, in down there, these are the options which this will monitor, like client version, uptime, and CPU load, memory usage, use disk space, like that. So okay, now escape :wq and just restart your nagios server once. So system ctl restart nagios service. Okay, so nagios server part has been done. Now you need to give your nagios server permission to this NSClient config file also. So just go to C drive. Inside program file, you will find this NSClient++. Under this, you will find this NSClient config file. Just go and open it. And inside this file, you will see the host is automatically taken, which you have given while installing, and rest all the things are disabled. You just need to enable it. And for enabling, just type the enabled, or you can put 1 also. It will automatically enable it. Okay, and save it. Now, just go to services. And under the services, you will see NSClient++ service is up and running here, this one. Just restart this service once. Okay, service is restarted. Now just directly go to our Nagios server and you will see the Windows server is now monitored by this Nagios server. It will take 1 or 2 minutes and it will show the status of Windows machine also. So we will wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that we will come to know the status also. Okay, so as you can see, it started monitoring. See. See, memories usage is okay. CPU load is okay. Explorer might be having some issues. That's why it is showing in critical state. It is saying Explorer exe is not running. There is some issue they have found with the disk check size. Okay, so as you can see, we are able to monitor Windows Server also with the help of this Nagios core server. So that's it about this lecture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.